Hello, my dear friends. Reshma here, welcoming all of you with a big heart, filled with lots and lots of love. You know, it has been quite some time I haven't faced the camera. So I was very apprehensive today. Even my throat is also not good, and there are so many times life just throws you out of the platform, you can say. So yeah, things were going on, but basically I never complain. I always try taking the things in the stride, because one thing I have learned now, this life is, though we tend to make it very huge and big, but it is very small. And however, so often things happens here, there, things becomes challenging also. But I just learned it, like, okay, fine, challenges will come. That is also a part of the game. And anyway, life has to end at a point of time. So fine, whatever is coming, let's go through it and let's enjoy another side of life, no problem. So that's how I take the life now. Basically, until and unless the challenges are physical and something like that of my near and dear ones, otherwise hardly anything is there. Now I just take it, the problems or challenges, as just another act we are playing in this theater called life. And so yeah, it is. I mean, sooner or later some other things will come, This is what the story of life is. So my dear friends, I know very well, most of you are my young friends. So you also know it very well. Generally, I talk about those things only which I understand, which I experience, and which I go through, and where I can relate to it. And where whatever I talk about it, that becomes at least meaningful to me. And I understand that if the thing is meaningful to me, then only you will be able to connect with all those things, So that's why, my suggestion, and you can say, little way of expression, that whenever life throws you out of the balance for different causes, just, stay put. Stay put. Life is not about always, you are on a proper platform and a smooth line. You can get off the lines at times. That's absolutely fine. The process of life is, though many a times we tend to bring a lot of dramas into it, with reason, without reason. But just remember one thing, life is very short. When it just ends like that, nobody knows. And so whatever is coming in it, good, bad, ugly, best, excellent, whatever is coming in it, just enjoy it. And tell yourself, this is another experience that I am gaining. And this is another thing that I am enjoying going through. And you will see it will just pass. When just keep one thing, in your heart, rather than in your head, in your heart, just be very clear in your heart with your conscience, with whatever you do. If your conscience is clean, if you do have a clear heart, if you know you are doing the right thing, then go through the experiences. I mean, there's nobody and nothing which you can, which can stop you, or, yeah, it may derail you for some time, that's okay. And so that's, and especially, this is the time also, many exams of my young friends are going on, different kind of exams. So again, so many times people think about, especially these young people, that what we are going to do, how we are going to do. Just for them, one thing, just take it easy. And even if it becomes bad also in a certain way, quote unquote, bad is also a very relative word. I just say one thing, this is not the end of it. This is not the end of it. So maybe today something is not going well, some exam, some subject, it's fine. It's fine. You always have the chances. And nothing is being decided with one thing or one chapter. The entire book comprises of a lot of chapters. So don't stress, don't bog, take it easy. Whatever you know, go ahead, execute your plans, do the things in a rightful manner. Have a clean heart, have a beautiful heart. And whenever you are having a clean heart, beautiful heart, a heart with conscience, even the God, He also blesses. Yeah, this is a fact. And He also blesses, because so often we go through a lot of different kind of tests. And the thing is, just remember one thing, which again I'm sharing from my own experience. When you are right, when you do have your conscience, your consciousness, and you know you are right, that time, however and whatever happens around you, it is not going to derail you, because you know that higher power, the superpower, that is always there to protect. You can say God, you can say universal protection, whatever. And it's nothing about religion. You don't have to be religious for that. You just have to know that nature's universal power always support what is right. So stay put, stay healthy, stay happy, have a clear heart, heart full of conscience, heart full of consciousness, heart full of, empathy and love and care, and heart where you know how to respect yourself first, and then taking care of the environment, which is around you, where you are respectful towards each and every of the being around you. So with this little thought, today we are wrapping it up, and I'm very sure that I must definitely catch up with all of you very, very soon. Thank you, my dear friends. Thank you.